What industry sectors are most suited to 5-axis machining? 5-axis enables the machining of very complex part with high precision, which is why it is especially popular in aerospace, automotive, particularly autosport, optical instruments and medical applications. Five-axis CNC machining centers can rotate on 2 additional rotary axes, A and B, which help the cutting tool approach the part from all directions. With a 5-axis CNC machine, you can reduce setup time and increase accuracy on each part.
Industrial Motivate the Future.